सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
papers to be laid on the table. Sri V. Muralidharan.
Sir, with your permission, on behalf of my colleagues, Sri Santosh Kumar Gangwar and Sri Nityanand Rai, I lay on the table of the House the papers listed against their names from serial numbers 1 to 4 respectively in today's revised list of business.
Reports of the Department Read Parliamentary Standing Committee on Industry, Dr. K. Keshav Rao, Sri K.C. Ramamurthy, Dr. Ami Agnik.
I rise to present
Sorry,
the 300th, 301st,
Ramamurthy.
302nd and 303rd reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Industry, both in Hindi and English, as listed against my name.
Over, Ramamurthy. Over. Right. Report of the Department Read Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Sri Jairam Ramesh.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the 340th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Environment, Forests, Climate Change, Science and Technology on the DNA Technology Use and Application Regulation Bill 2019.
Reports of the Department Read Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture. Sri T.G. Venkatesh. You have to be in your seat, please.
Respected Chairman Sir, I rise to present the following reports, both in Hindi and English, of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture. 280th report on the action taken by the government on the recommendation observation of the committee contained its 270th report on development of tourism in Jammu and Kashmir. 281st report on the action taken by the government on the recommendation observation of the committee contained in its 276th report on demands for grants of Ministry of Civil Aviation 2020-21. 282nd report on the action taken by the government on the recommendation observation of the committee contained in 277th report on demand for grants 2020-21 of Ministry of Culture. 283rd report on the action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations of the committee contained in its 279th report on demands for grants 2020-21 of Ministry of Shipping. 284th report on the action taken by the government on recommendations, observations of the committee contained in its 275th report on demands for grants 2020-21 of Ministry of Tourism. 285th report on the action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations of the committee contained in its 278th report on demands for grants 2020-21 of Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, and 286th report on the action taken by the government on recommendations, observations of the committee contained its 269th report on cargo handling at the major ports. Thank you.
You came rushing to the house or? Aram se. Reports of the Department Read Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance. Sri Raju Chandrasekhar. You have to say, Raju ji, you have to say from lobbies, number 1. Gallery 1.
Yes, sir, from lobby, sir.
Gallery 1, please.
Yes, sir, from gallery, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, I rise to lay a copy each of the 13 reports, Hindi and English versions, of the Standing Committee on Finance as mentioned against my name in today's list of business. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Reports of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour. Sri M. Shanmugam.
Lay on the table a copy of these English and West Hindi, the following reports of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour, 10th report, 11th report, 12th report, 13th report, 14th report and 15th report. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Honorable members, you are all aware there is a restriction on the usage of cellular phones within the Rajya Sabha chambers, which is notified in the Parliamentary Bulletin Part 2, issued prior to the commencement of the sittings of a session. It has been observed that some members are using their mobile phones to record the proceedings of the House while sitting in the chamber. Such conduct is against parliamentary etiquette and is not expected from the honorable members. Members should desist from such unwarranted activities inside the chamber. Such unauthorized recording of the proceedings of House and its circulation in the social media may lead to breach of privilege and contempt of the House. Even the sections of the media who have now started using some of it, they have been advised, please not to do it because that is not authorized, and then you will be liable for the consequences thereon. Keeping that in mind, I hope everybody will follow the rules. After all, this is a House and we must maintain the decorum. Members are there. If the members are fair, everything will be fine. Members are, yeah, that's what I'm saying. No, please, I have not allowed the discussion. It not go on record. Members has to be fair to the rules of the House. Members are there. Don't make comments without any this thing and notice or anything, but also, that is your view. This is not the time, sir. Members are therefore advised to be careful in this regard. I only hope that everybody will follow the rules and regulations. Then, Minister for Parliament Affairs.
Sir, since we have to discuss the motion of thanks on President address, and I had discussion with Honorable LOP, and now consensus is arrived that more time should be given to the discussion on President motion. And if kindly Chair can agree, we have arrived with a consensus after speaking to the leader of opposition and arrived at a consensus with the other leaders. We can allot more time with your permission for this particular motion, and for that, today question hour may be suspended and tomorrow question hour and 0 hour may be suspended, and we can take it for 15 hours so that all the parties can also participate in the discussion, and also we can Friday, as already agreed in the BAC, Friday we can dispense with the private member business also, sir. If kindly Chair
I
can
think everybody is in agreement. Withdraw the opposition.
अपोजिशन पार्टीज तकरीबन 18 से 19 पार्टीज की मीटिंग हुई थी और हम चाहते थे, हमने गवर्नमेंट से निवेदन किया था कि राष्ट्रपति जी के मोशन ऑफ थैंक्स से पहले किसानों की एजिटेशन पे चर्चा हो, लेकिन सरकार की तरफ से ये बताया गया, और जिसे हम समझते हैं कि शायद पहले भी नहीं हुआ है ऐसा, कि राष्ट्रपति के मोशन ऑफ थैंक्स से पहले कोई बिजनेस नहीं लिया जाता। इसलिए हम सब लोग, जितने विपक्ष के लोग हैं, 18-19 पार्टियां मिलके हमने तय किया कि अगर मोशन ऑफ थैंक्स से पहले डिस्कशन किसानों का नहीं होता है तो जो डिस्कशन उस दिन होना चाहिए था किसानों के लिए ही, वो हम राष्ट्रपति जी के अभिभाषण में उसकी चर्चा करेंगे 5 घंटे। तो वो 5 घंटे जो किसानों की चर्चा करनी थी अलग से, बिल्कुल स्टैंड अलोन, वो हम चर्चा करेंगे माननीय राष्ट्रपति के अभिभाषण में, और वो 5 घंटे वहाँ बढ़ाए जाएं 15 घंटे। और सरकार का मैं धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि उन्होंने हम सब की मांगी, और आपसे निवेदन करते हैं कि आप उसको अनुमति दे दें।
Agreed. We will have discussion on President's address straighten out, and then allot, as suggested, 15 hours.
First, I think what Honorable Parliamentary Affairs said, today after question hour, because for today some
Not after
0
question
hour.
After 0 hour.
So after 0 hour, sir.
So we will go by that, and accordingly I instruct the Secretariat to reallocate time as per the present arrangement of 14.5 hours होगा, आधा घंटा इसमें गए तो. So इस हिसाब से समय को बांटना पड़ेगा, सब सदस्यों को अवगत कराना पड़ेगा. Normally this is not done, suspension of 0 hour or question hour, but at times it was done earlier also, and now that there is a specific request and there is a broad agreement in the House, I am willing to go by that. Right. Huh? No, sir. Agreement. Parties should discuss it among themselves and then come to conclusion. Right. It's over now. Right. Good. Right. Sri, please, Karge ji. Karge, we are not discussing. Once the decision is taken, Sri 0 hour, Sri Ayodhya Ram Reddy.